In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Google Forms needs permission issue, and we'll get this done in just 5 minutes. This is a common problem that many encounter when sharing forms, but with the right steps, you'll have it sorted out in no time. So let's dive right in. First, let's start by heading over to Google Drive. If you're not sure how to get there, simply open your web browser, type in Google Drive, and log in using your Google account. Once you're logged in, you should see your Google Drive dashboard. This is your central hub for all Google Docs, Sheets, and importantly, forms that you've created or have access to. With Google Drive open, look for the Apps button. It's usually found in the top right corner of the screen, represented by a grid icon. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu containing all your Google applications. From this list, locate and click on the one labelled Forms. This will take you to the Google Forms homepage where you can see all your existing forms. Next, you'll want to select the specific form you need to fix. Simply scroll through your list of forms and click on the one that's giving you the needs permission issue. Opening the form will present you with its detailed layout, making it easier for us to troubleshoot and fix the problem. Now that you have the form open, the next step is to click on the share icon. This is often represented by a small icon showing two people, or sometimes as a share button, situated near the top right of the screen. Clicking this will open the sharing settings panel for the form. Within the sharing settings, focus on the responder view option. It's crucial to adjust this setting correctly as it determines who can view and respond to your form. If it's restricted, people without permission won't be able to access it. Look for an option labelled anyone with the link and make sure to click on it. Selecting this option grants access to any individual who has the form link, making sharing smoother and more accessible to a broader audience. This setting is often overlooked, yet it's a common culprit for permission issues. Once you've made sure that the option is selected, click on Done to save your settings. This will close the sharing options and apply the new permissions to your form. That's it, your Google form should now be accessible to anyone with the link, and the pesky needs permission issue should be resolved. Remember, these steps are not just a quick fix, they're a template for managing form permissions effectively in the future. Thanks for following along, and feel free to share this guide with anyone who might need it. Have a great day.